I think AI just broke the way we charge for AI and development services, and nobody is talking about this. Because right now, if you're charging hourly, you lose. If you're charging fixed price, you also lose. So what the hell are we supposed to do? I ran with this recently with a customer. What used to take me about 10 days now takes me 1 day to deliver, which sounds really awesome, right? But all of a sudden, I now have reduced my income by 10-fold. Since I used to get paid hourly for the amount of hours I invested in building such a thing, being more productive all of a sudden meant that I'm being punished for being efficient. And the really interesting reality is that customers now know that you should be using AI to deliver your service quicker. So they also are expecting you to deliver this within 1 day, and dealing with their expectation is becoming more and more challenging. So here's the trap that I'm trying to explain in this video. If you're running an AI automation agency, you have an AI consulting business or a traditional software development business, I believe that you're now in a trap. On one side, if you would charge hourly, you are now potentially making less money because the AI is becoming super efficient at writing code and generating products for you. But you know that in software development, a lot of things can happen, and it's like breaking a wall and all of a sudden seeing all the shit behind this wall have to take so much longer to deliver this project. And that's why most agencies actually prefer to stick to hourly based pricing compared to other business models that are out there. So, but now since AI is making you super efficient and all of a sudden you can only bill about 10 hours, compared to billing 100 hours, some people are naturally leaning into option number 2, which is to charge a fixed price engagement. But again, if you ever charged fixed price before, you know what's about to happen. You have scope creep, you have delays, the customer doesn't respond on time, and all of a sudden what you sold as a quick AI solution is ending up becoming a 3 weeks nightmare. So this has naturally led to the following question. In a world where we're becoming 10x more efficient as developers, what is the correct pricing model that would fit this boost in development and efficiency? So one idea that I explored is offering monthly retainers, which is not tied to hours, but tied to outcomes. And to be honest, my experience there has been a little bit challenging. For the customers that I offered a retainer, they still put it against some hourly assumption, because at some point you have to put a cap on the hours that you can invest in a retainer, and then the customer would just think of it as a bundled hourly rate that they have to prepay you every month. And of course, defining one objective and clearly scoping this objective becomes also a little bit challenging because things happen. A lot of problems start to occur within a project, things get delayed. So it feels like a retainer is kind of a hidden fixed pricing engagement. What I see works pretty well in the retainer realm is to allocate 1 to 2 days or even 3 days for the customer that you're fully dedicated for this customer, and it's kind of like a fractional employee. So you work there half of the time and you don't define a clear outcome. You're just working on this task that is being assigned to you. It could be automating the business rather than saying, I will give you 1 to 2 automations a month, etc. So you keep working until everything is done basically, and then you stop the engagement. However, this still doesn't solve the problem that maybe because you're so efficient, you finish working with this client within 1 month or 2 months because everything is super quick, and then all of a sudden you need to go and find other customers for you to fulfill, and you haven't been paid as good as you could have by trying to do some different pricing model. And this naturally has led me to think of the optimal model to be pricing customers in a world where AI is dominating the whole industry, which is value-based pricing. So in value-based pricing, instead of charging the customers hourly or a fixed price, you are actually charging them percentage of the win that you brought them. So you are charging based on the value you're creating for this customer. So let's say, for example, you calculated that not automating the customer support for the specific customer is costing them about 100K a year, and you manage to automate, let's say 50% or 100% of that, which give you maybe 50K of savings that you actually are proving that you managed to save this. What usually happens is that you can charge up to 30% of these savings as your investment. And usually customers would happy to pay you this kind of amount to make sure that the both incentives are kind of aligned. So you stopped arguing about hours and you focus your energy into thinking how you can provide value for the business, because only then you get to get paid a lot of money. But I have to be honest, this business model sounds awesome on paper. It is a little bit challenging to implement in real life. This is for me a way advanced pricing model that some of the most successful agencies or freelancers are charging, and it allows you to make crazy amount of money. But I work with agencies who have 500 employees, and even they don't even do these kind of pricing models. But if you're brave enough to really understand how you can provide value for the business, whether it's in money saved or even revenue, and they agree to enter this kind of engagement with you, then I believe this is the number one savior to take us away from AI basically automating our job. Because the more I think about it, the more it becomes inevitable to me that AI is making execution cheap, which means thinking, strategizing, and delivering impact to a business is where the real money is shifting towards. So now I'm really curious, how are you dealing with this problem right now? Are you still charging hourly? Have you tried fixed price and you saw the hell that comes with it? Or have you ever experimented with value-based pricing? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to engage in conversations with you. And one final note from my side, I honestly believe that whoever figured this out first will dominate the next couple of years in the AI agency space. Thank you so much for listening, and see you in the next one. Ciao.